The closets in the old design were utterly unusable because they were behind walls. In this room, I designed and customized everything. So on the left side, we can see I made it into a pantry area, and I customized everything. So instead of having a coat bar, I have these things which are attached to the wall, and they slide out, and the hooks rotate to hang up your coat, and then they rotate again to lie flat. I have bumpers for them. I have another on this side, and then I have a pantry for storage of water and toilet paper and all the wonderful things. On the other side of the closet area, I made a half bathroom. Let me get back so you can see it. And it is generally very nice. I have in here door switch, but I have a light overhead. I have another light here that shines on the wall so I can have a picture. I picked out everything, so I'm very impressed by my toilet paper holder because it just goes up and down. There's no springy thing to drop. This has been a project that's been going on since I designed it in November, and it took until January to start, and then it took until now to complete. It's very hard to find a plumber, etc., but that is my new area. Thanks.